Yes. Okay. Okay. Today we will discuss junction objects and the compact layouts and page layout. Today we will discuss. And before we are going to that, there's some introductions topic is there for the junction object that we'll discuss, and after we will go into the practical way. Okay.
Okay.
Now here, so what is junction object means? Here in Salesforce, junction object is a custom object that serves as an intermediary between two other objects in many to many relationship here. See, same like before also we have done that relationship we have done, lookup relationship and master relationship we have done. But here, when we use junction object mean the custom objects only you can apply here for the junction objects here. See, if you have created custom objects, you have created three objects, you have created, and one is college, and one is student, and one is college management. And these three objects will be there. Okay.
Mm.
Now, in these three objects, the student will be the child, and the child, the see, in the student will be the child, and the college management will be the parent here. Okay. The
Okay.
first we are giving the child, the first we are selecting the student objects we are selecting, and now we are giving to that first we are giving that college management we are giving that first we are giving the relationship master relationship we are giving, and after it is done means and after we are giving to the child too, and here the child student object is that child object too, and again we are giving to that college we are giving that relationship we are giving master relationship. And this in between, see the one junction object, one student object is the junction object, and the two student objects we are making the two relationship we are making, that is called junction objects here. Understand?
Okay. I think when we go to an example, we will
Yeah.
understand more clearly.
Yes. And it allows you to create relationship between records of different objects by creating a junction records that links them together here. See, where one objects we are linking the two objects we are linking here. Okay. Now, junction objects are often used in scenarios where single records from one object can be associated with multiple records. Here, the child object will the child will be the student will be the child objects. In the child objects, it will be showing that what are the parent college management record also it will be showing, and college record also it will be showing in the child objects. And what are the records you have created in that parent records? For examples, in parent one and parent two, you can take it. College management is that parent one, and college is that parent two. And what are the records you have created? Parent one and parent two you have created. That records it will be displaying in that child records. It will be displaying that one. And here, see what are the records you will get. That records it will be displaying, and there it will be the see all records. It will be multiple records. It will be showing in one objects here, and that is called the junction objects here. For examples, if you have the database of customers and database of products, here they give provided examples also given here. You can see there customers, and see one is the database of customer and one is the database of products. The two-person will be there. You might create junction objects called opportunity. Here opportunity will be the child objects, and customer database of customer and database of products will be the parent here. And in that parent we are making that what are the record we are created, that records it will be coming to the opportunity, it will be coming here. And whenever if you want to create that opportunity objects you want to create mean must and should the parent records it will be required here. And without parent records we cannot save the these objects opportunity objects, we cannot save that one. And here the two the here you can say to link the two together, each opportunity record would represents a potential scale and would includes information about the customer, the products, and any other relevant details also here. And see these that see what are the products opportunity database of customers and database of products, that is the parent one and parent two, they are taken that there you are given that relationship you are given, and opportunity is the sale object. And what are the records you created parent one and parent two, that records it will be showing in opportunity, it will be showing here. And here see what is the advantage of this junction objects means the all multiple records, the parent one record also it will be showing, and parent two record also it will be showing. That's the see, before we are created one objects were created, two objects were created, two objects were given the relationship. And what are the parent object were created? The parent records it will be showing, child records it will be showing here. And here, if you want to multiple record I want, that time you can make it junction object, means it is the three objects we are giving the relationship. One is the junction object. In junction objects, it will be showing that all records it will be showing. Multiple record it will be showing. That's the reason we are using for junction objects here. Okay. Now, some of the uses for junction objects in Salesforce include many to many relationship. Here also we are giving that one objects we are giving the many relationship we are giving, and parent one and parent two we are giving here. And junction objects are ideal for linking two objects in many to many relationship. Here you can see we are linking that one, the junction object will be the child, and we are linking to the two objects we are linking. That is called the junction objects here. And many to many relationship, and here where each record from one object can be linked to the multiple records. Here, one object, the child record, it will be that one object's records. That record, it will be multiple records, it will be showing in one object. That's the reasons we are using for junction object. And we are how many multiple record if you want to see, means that time you want to use the junction object, you can use it. Only it will be support custom objects, only it will be supporting, and it will be not supporting any standard objects and anything, it will be not supporting. Only custom objects only, only master edit relationship only it will be support here. Okay. Now, cross object reporting. Here also the cross object reporting also it will be there. Here, first you can make it child to parent one, you can make it, and second times you can make it child to parent two, you can make it. That like relationship it will be there for that one. And here also you can make it workflow automations, and you can use junction objects to automate workflow rules and triggers action based on. These are all the specific criteria. It will be coming to the before we are discussing that are also we workflow automations and data validations. These are all we are discussing, but it will be not the topic of the junction object now. We are moving to the another topic here. See, what is compact layout means? Compact layouts are used in the mobile apps and some charter feed items to display record key fields at a glance. Here, see, what are the fields you want to display for that? Here we are making for highlighting the fields here. In compact layout, what are the fields you have created? That fields it will be highlighting here. For example, you can take it. See, in one records, in student records, only I want to show that the only amount and the student details and student details, no, only student and student amount. The three fields only I want to show in above, means at that time you can use that compact layout, you can use it. Why means it will be the showing highlighting the fields also, it will be visible to that everyone. And if you are going to that records, means that time it will be showing that bigger size it will be showing, and it is the easy to understand. So how many how much amount it will be there for that records, and how what is that record name, and what are the fields you have selected, that fields it will be displaying in that heading of highlighting that fields here. Now here you can select and prioritize up to 10 fields for that compact layout. Up to 10 fields you can add in that compact layout. Up to 10 fields it will be adding, and after it will be not getting. And but the number of fields that displays may vary based on the device screens which record page is being viewed and the permissions of the users here. See here, what are the fields you are given? Up to 10 fields you can add it, and after here also some fields it will be supporting, some fields it will be not supported also here. Now here, what are the data types we are using in the Salesforce? In the database, only formula fields and pick list fields and multi-select pick list fields and text area reach and text area long. These five fields it will be not working in compact layouts. And remaining, what are the database you are given? The database database data types it will be supporting for that compact layout. Okay.
Okay.
Now, page layout. And here you can customize and personalize many things on given objects record page using page layout. And before section also we are discussed how to create content and how to create blank space, and how to create how to we had set the two columns, and how to give that see, one page is there, means that page all one page is there, means in that page you can fulfill all the fields means it will be adjusting your fields and adjusting what are the fields you requires. It will be the space also, it will be decreasing, and your the page also is looking also it's good for the page. Full page you are using that one. And here there are the two ways to customize page in lightning experience, and you can customize page layout and customize its content. And see, we are customizing the page layout also, how you are required for field your settings you are done, that like also it will be possible. And you can make it content also required fields, for example the required content of the fields you're separating that fields also, it will be there in the page layout. And they are done with the separate tools also. And lightning pages are collection of lightning components and arranged in reasons on the page. And you can customize the structure of the page and position of its components with the lightning apps and builders here. See, here we have done the lightning page and the collections of lightning components. And here, what are the say before section also we discussed how to create the page layout, how to edit some fields, and how to adjust that fields also, and how to content you can create it, and everything we discussed in before section. Now we are discussing deeply, we are going to that page load also and compact load also. Now can anyone can share your screen?
Yeah.
Log in your mail id, user id, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, now you can go to that object manager, select student object, and page layout. No, student layout, go to the student layout. Come down. And before which page we are done for that for content and everything we are created, no, that which page we are done?
They're the same page, sir.
College only or same page? Student you are done,
Yes.
but it will be not saved, right? In that,
No, sir, we have saved it also, but I'm not getting why it is
go to
not
that
showing.
college. No, go to that object manager. I think we are done in college.
I
I think
think, yes, I think we have done in college. College management or college?
college page layer. Go to that page layer. Come down.
No, I think we have done in college management, I think.
Go to that college management once. No, it's student only done. We didn't save. Why means you are left at
Okay.
right. Student
Yes,
one.
yeah, that was the issue, sir. It's heavy raining from my side, that's why I'm getting network issues.
Yeah, go to that page load. Again, you can add that content also. See, here we have that options. What are the fields were created? That fields it will be showing here above also it will be showing. But these that page, it is the defaultly it will be getting that what are the fields you have created. That fields it is defaultly they will be getting the values. And if you want to make that contents, and if you want to make that page where the 2 columns you want to make means, you can make it now. Now give that section name.
What should I give?
Student informations. Based on the content, you can give that, you can add the fields here. Now here, wait just a minute. Some people said the new, no? You can click it. Again, you can student information, you can click it. Student information, again you can. Yeah, just a minute. And see here, we are given that section name I given for that heading of the content I'm giving here. I'm selected the content I'm selected. And here, what are the fields it's required for the student information? That fields I'm adding in that student information I'm adding here. And same like here, display section header, detail page and edit page. If you want, again, you want to edit also, it will be, if you're giving that option means it will be taking that one. And here we have the two types of layout. It will be there, one columns and two columns. See, before one, it is the defaultly they are getting that one columns is one side only it will be getting. And if you give the two columns, your game means both sides you can add the fields also. That possibility it will be there in the two columns here. Now, if you given the two columns, your game means two sides you can, both sides you can make the fields, you can add it and you can use that full page, you can use it here. Now, tab key adders. For examples, the first you are given that two columns you are selected. Any times you are created the field you are created means first it will be going to the left side, it will be going, and after it will be going to the right side, and after it will be going to the left side and the right side. That like the harder will be there for the tab key harders, that one. If you created the fields means it will be going first field you are created means it will be printing in left side, it will be printing. And if you are given that second time you created the fields mean that time it will be going to the right side, it will be going, that like the process will be left to right, it will be going. And if you select the top down you are selected means first fields it will be printed in left side, and second field also it will be printed in left side only, and after third fields it will be going to the right side, and fourth field it will be going to the right side only. That like the order will be there. And if you created the two records, it will be coming to the left sides. If you select the top down means this like the way it will be there for that orders also it will be there. And now I'm selecting the two columns, and left and right I'm selecting here, and both side I want to add the fields, that's why I selected the two columns I selected. Now you can okay it.
What you said means you are saying that if I suppose two column,
Okay,
then am I able to add text here also? You are saying
yes,
that.
both sides you can add it, both columns you can add it here.
Okay,
See,
and what was that? What you said that key order?
key order means
What
it
was
will
it?
be going, see, for examples, if you are created one field you are created, right?
Mm-hmm.
That field it will be showing that left side it will be showing. And after you created another field you created means that it will be going to the right side. If you select the left to right, you are selected means it will be going that order way it will be going
But
that.
it is not going sir automatically. We are dragging and dropping to the right
See,
side.
see
Mm.
here, where see, if you are creating any objects also, any fields you are adding also, they're going that like only there will be going. But if you want to add that left and tab key order, that one. See here, before we are given the default only we are given, but that is the thing. Now we can make that contents, and if you what are the requirement is there. See the present you are if you are before you are creating that object means that time you don't know for that page layout and anything we don't know. And if you want to add content, that like it will be there mean that time you're changing some values of what are the fields is required. That fields adjusting your fields, and your what are the fields in that content it required, that fields only you are selecting right here. That's the thing. You can make it after only you can page load your dunning. Okay, you are customizing the how you want that requirement. That requirement we are making that page load you are making here.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Now you can add student names, student IDs in that student information. Yes, and give that right side, and student email, and come down, student phone number, and student address also you can make it. Yeah. Now you can take another section, you can take it. Drag and drop it. See here the page load also we are using the drag and drop only we are using here. Drag and drop interfaces, this one. Give that section name. Student. No, student marks you can use. Come down. And student information you can give up. Yes. Student information, the student marks you can down it that one. Yeah. Yeah. Student marks. Student marks also you can add it. Student percentage. Student marks. Student branch also you can select it. And the date of joining also you can mention. And student fees also you can add it in the yeah. Okay. Student Aadhaar card you can add it to the student informations. Student Aadhaar card. Student Aadhaar card and student website you can add it to the student informations. Go. Yeah. Add it. Come down. Student websites also you can add it in student information. Go up. Right side and left side. Yeah. Come down. Now student details and student with matters. Okay. Now we can take another section. Yeah. Drag and drop it. COVID-19, give the section name. COVID information. Okay. Now you can add COVID test done. That one only you can add it. And student details. And student documents also you can add it. In college also. Yes. Now you can come here. Down it. Now you can make that blank space. See, when we use that blank space means field to field. If you want to make that any space, if it is required, means that time you can use it that blank space. Now I want the student name to the student email. I want to blank space. I want that time you can use it. Blank space you can use it. Come down. Come down. Yeah. Make it blank space. Yeah. Now you can save it. See, this like you can make it field to field. If you want to make space also, you can make it that one. Don't want mint, you can remove it, no problem.
Quick save it.
Quick save it. Now go to that page layout, left side page layout, you can click it. And page layout assignment, you can go page layout assignments. Now edit assignments. Edit assignments. See, whenever you have created that page layout you have created means at that time you can make it assign also, you can assign it. Page layout to use, you can select it. Yeah, dragged it. Yeah, student layout selected. Now save it. See, if you have created any page layout, your customizations you are done means that time you can go to that your quick save is done means, and after you can go to that page layout assignments. If it is page layout done means that time only the active fields it will be applied for that one. And what are the fields you are given, what are the content you are given, what are the blank space you are given, that it will be updating that one. Now you can go and check it that one. App launcher, go to that app launcher. Select student object. Now go to that new. Now you can see your page, how it will be looking good. See, student name and student, the space also it will be showing here. See, student and student email, it will be showing that space, it will be showing. And come down, see the semester marks and the student marks, student branches, and what are the fields, the in between you are given the page layout, blank space you are given, that it will be showing here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This like we are creating that page we are creating. If you don't want to give also the blank space is not required also, you can give it, no problem. Without blank space also you can create the fields, what are the fields it's required for the content.
Why this
The
student
content
ID
only
is
you
not
can.
coming? Hello.
What?
Student ID is not coming, like text
That
box
is
not
that
coming.
that is that auto number that it will be automatically it will be updating
Okay,
that.
okay.
If you are created record you are created means that time it will be automatically there will be updating. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can go to close this one. This like the page layout, it will be setting is done as a customization done here. Now go to that setup again. Now we are doing compact load. How we are creating that compact load, that we will see. Now go to that object manager. Select student. Select compact load. Compact load. Now system default click it and come down. Compact layout assignment you can go. Edit assignments. No. Leave it, leave it. Come to the left side compact load again, you can click it. We want to go new, we want to go. Yeah, go to that new. Yeah, give the label name student compact layout. Yeah, come down here. See what are the data type, what are the fields you created. That fields it will be showing here. Now where see only where it will be supporting only for that. See except pick list and multi pick list and text area rich and text area long and text area rich and formula fields. These four fields except and remaining what are the data type fields you created. That fields it will be supported for that compact level. And up to you can add it 10 fields you can add it. What are the data types you created field, what are the data types you created the fields, that the fields you can add it to the compact layout here. Only these 5 fields it will be not supporting text area rich and text area long and pick list and multi select pick list and formula fields it will be not supporting that one. Okay. And these points you can keep it in mind. The what are the fields it will be supporting, what are the fields it will be not supporting, that you can keep in mind that one. Now you can
It is not
select the
supported for a pick list, I think you said.
pick list and multi-select pick list and text area rich and text area long and formula fields. These five fields it will be not working in compact layouts. And remaining fields, what are the fields you are given, that fields it will be supporting here.
Yeah, so do share the notes by mentioning all the points so that
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can keep a record
Yeah.
of it.
Now you can add student name, you can add it. No. Here the available you can select and add to that selected fields. Yeah, add it and give that student fees. Student fees. Up to 10 fields you can add it. What are the student marks? And the student phone number. And student website. And student Aadhaar card. And come down. Student email also you can do. Student ID. Student percentage. And time of joining. Date of joining you can do. See, I had it. How many fields I had it? One, 10 fields I added in that. Up to 10 fields you can add it. Only 10 fields only it will be getting here. Okay. Now, if you want to make any order wise you want to make means you can make it here. And here, if you want to make that student phone number you want to go up means you can give that up. Go up, student names and student phone number you can make it. The fees will be that down you can make it. Yeah. Yes. This like we are making that settings if how we are required for that, that like you can make it here. Now come down. Yes, leave it. Now we can save it. Now compact layout assignment you are done. Compact layout assignments. And edit assignment. And the system default assignments. Select student compact layout. Save it. Every object you are assign any compact layout your assignments, and again you can go to that compact layout assignment, and there you can give that student compact layout also you can add it that one.
So means in
Okay.
compact layout, whatever objects we have created
Yes,
by
yes.
the fields, we can arrange them as
Yes.
per our accordings in compact layout.
Yes. After also you can make it a compact layout assignment. You can run it that one.
Okay.
Save it. Save it.
Yes, I saved it.
Yeah, you can go to that app launcher. Select student. Yes. Create one records. Create all fields you can give it. Come down. View all deficiency. Yeah. Come down. Date of joining. Come down. Save it now. See, what are the go up little bit go up. Come down. See, I'm telling that go up, you're telling means you're coming down, you're going. Just a minute. Now, see here. Little bit go up. You're coming down.
What do you mean by go up, sir? Means I have to scroll na? Hello?
Yeah. Okay. Here you can see there student ID, student phone number, student email, and student fees, and student Aadhaar card, and student marks. And what are the fields you created? That fields it will be displaying here. Okay.
Okay.
And this like we are making that compact load we are making, and we are see whenever if you are select that records means the details are it will be showing here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to that student again. And you can select another record also, you can select it. And see that record also it will be active that one. Okay.
Okay.
Now okay, ma'am, now we are creating for the three objects we are creating. Now we are the student and college management and college we are created already, we are created the records already we are created, and that we are not making for that custom object junction objects, we are not making that one. Now we are creating the new objects we are creating, and in the new objects we are creating the junction object we are creating. Okay. Now go to that setup. Now we are creating three objects we are creating. Now see what is the junction object means. One object we are making the two multiple records we are adding here. What are the see if the parent records see for examples you can take it one is child objects and one is see one is child objects and the two is parent object. One is parent and parent one and parent two. And these three records I want three objects I want to link. That time you can take the junction objects you can take it. That how we are making means only custom objects only. What are that custom objects you have created? That are custom objects only you can make it relationship for the two objects. Only you can give that master edit relationship only it will be support for master edit relationship. Now we are already we are created for that college and student and college management already we are created records means that's why we are not getting in that we are not make that junction objects we are not possible to give that one. That's why I'm creating that new objects I'm creating, and in that new objects we are creating for that junction object we are creating. Okay. Now go to that object manager. Now go to that create. Okay. Custom objects. And now we are creating the three objects we are creating. One is manager and sales manager. Sales manager. Wait. Manager, sales. Okay. Now you can create manager. One object will be that manager and another object will be the sales. Managers. Come down and select hello reports and the hello activities. Track field. Yeah, come down and select hello search, add notes and attachments. Yeah. Now you can save it. Tab style select. Yeah. So next it. And come down. Come down. Next it. And next it. All apps you are given that permissions here. And again you can go to that field and relationship. No. Go to that object manager. You can create another object. And give that sales teams. Sales team. Yeah. Yes. Come down. Label name, you can click label name. First label name you can click, and again you can select means it will become. Delete. Object name you can, yeah, come down. Allow reports, allow activity, allow search, add notes, launch, save, add step style. Next it. Now go to that object manager again. Custom object. Here you can give that man manager. Just a minute. Company management. Come down. Allow reports. Save it. Now, see, we are created that three objects we are created. One is company management, and one is sales team, and one is manager. And we want to create, see, what are the record you are created in manager, what are the record they created, and what are the record they created in sales team also, what are the record they created. That also I want to show that one. That time you can go to that company information, company management means there the manager record also it will be showing, and sales team record also it will be showing in company management. There it will be showing now. Now go to that object manager, select company management. Company management. Company management is the child objects, and that is the junction objects. We are giving that relationship now. Go to that new. Now come down. Now give that master relationship. Next it. Now you can select that. First we are linking to that manager. We are linking. Give that manager. Next it. Come down. Now next it. and next it. Next it. And save a new. I want to create another relationship also. That's why I'm selecting that one. Now, again, you can select master edit relationship. Come down, master edit relationship. And next it. Now you can select sales team. Yeah, next it. Now come down, next it. And next it. Next, save it. Now go to that fields and relationship. Just a minute. Come down, come down. Yeah, you can see here the manager objects also we are given that master relationship we are given, and sales team also master relationship we are given. Now you can create some fields, you can create it. No means leave it, no problem. No, leave it, no problem. Leave it, cancel it. Now go to that app launcher. And select manager. And give the new, create new records. Only one field it will be there. That field only you can give, no problem. Give that name, manager name, Yogesh. Save a new, save a new. And another record also you can create it. Yeah, give that some name, Ramesh. Save it. Now, again you can go to that more, go to that more. Select sales team. In that also you can create two records, you can create it. John, save a new. Ramesh. Ram. Okay. Now you can go to the company management. Company management. More. You can go to that more. Company management. Yes. Now go to that new. Select company management name. You can give it.
A name of a person or what?
Yeah, company management name only. You can give it Narayani ma'am. Now you can select manager record. You can select it. See, their records it will be showing or not. Now select Yogesh or Ramesh. You can select one record. And sales team also you can select one record. Now save it. Again, save a new, save a new again. Again, you can create another record also. Go to that company management. Yes, give the company name. Tejashwini. Yeah, select manager. Now we can select Yogesh. Yogesh.
I have previously selected that one. Previous was Yogesh.
Yeah, okay, Ramesh, you can take it. And John. Save it. See, I created the three objects I created, and three objects I given the relationship also I given, and I'm taken that company name, company management will the child objects I taken, and sales teams and manager will be the parent I taken. Manager will be the parent one, and parent two will be the sales teams here I taken. Now company management will be the junction objects. In one junction object, one objects we are making the two relationship I given. master detailed relationship here. Now go to that related left side and see here, come down.
Oh, this is Tejas is record.
Yeah, yes. Go to that. No. Go to that manager once. Select manager. Select record. Yeah, you can select one record. Go to that related and see in company management, one record it will be showing here. Okay. Go to that sales teams. Now go to the RAM. The RAM related, what are the records it will be there? Can you check it there? See, company management, Narayan ma'am is there. Same records you are given for that, same object for that one. Now, see, here, this like we are creating that relationship we are creating. Now, you can go to that, see, you can go to that manager once. Go to that Ramesh. And related. Here also you can see it there. The parent records it will be showing, the what are the child records it will be showing, in that parent also it will be showing here. Now here, if you delete that parent record, you deleted means child records also it will be deleting. Why means you are given that master relationship you are given, and here we are given that, see, it is the tight couples. If you delete the parent record, you delete means the child records also it will be deleting here. Now try that one. Go to the company manager. You can delete one record. You can create manager only. You can delete one record. Ramesh you can delete. Delete it. Delete. Delete. Now go and check it in that company management. Company management. See that record, it will be gone or not. See, if you delete that child records, see, for example, we are given that relationship you are given. There, the parent record you are deleted, manager parent record you are deleted. The child records, what record you are given, that record it will be deleting. Why means it is the tight couples. That's why if you delete that parent records means the child records it will be deleting. Now you can go to that sales teams once. There also you can delete one record. RAM or something you can delete. Delete. Now go and check it the company management. This record, another record, it is the same record. That's why it will be showing here. Narayan, you can click it. The sales team is the RAM. Already the record is there. That's why it will be not not deleting that one. And same record you are created means that time it will be getting that the values also it will be getting that one. And here, see, Yogesh, you are given that sales team RAM you are given. That's why it will be not deleting. And before you are deleted the records, if you have selected something, you are selected. That's why they deleted that one. Okay.
Okay.
Now, it's like we are creating the junction objects we are creating. And if you deleted the parent records means child records, it is automatically there will be deleting that one. Why means the what are the related record you are given for that objects, that objects records it will be deleting for that one. And here we have the child records also it will be have. See the child records, see if you are tried in child records, if you are deleted means the what are the parent records it will be there, that also it will be deleting here. Okay.
Okay.
And this like we are making the junction objects. Okay.
Okay.
Now any doubts in that? junction objects and page load, compact load.
We will practice, and if we have any doubt, we'll ask tomorrow.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. Everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.